Good morning, class. This is the lecture for April 8th, and we are going to be focusing on the writing book again. So take your writing book out, and first we are going to turn to page 156. Okay, we're going to review a little bit about complex sentences. If you remember, there are subordinating conjunctions that we were talking about. Here are the examples of them. And we're going to write a sentence with one of these to create a complex sentence. Now, a complex sentence is two simple sentences that are stuck together with a coordinating conjunction. So if. Let's start with if, because that's an easy one. Okay, the coronavirus, very hot topic, will diminish if everyone stays home. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about, here we have the subject of the first sentence. Will diminish is my verb. And then here we have our subordinating conjunction. I'm going to put a box around it. If everyone stays, everyone should be a subject. Stays is a verb. Where should they stay? Home. So home is the object. Okay, so that's an example. And here we have, for our sentence pattern, subject, verb, if, subject, verb. Now, if you remember correctly, you can flip the complex sentence, and you can start with the if clause, okay, which is the subordinating clause. So, if everyone stays home, the coronavirus will diminish. Okay, same subject, same verbs. Now, however, this sentence, there is a problem. What do you think the problem is? If you said a comma right here, you are correct. When the dependent clause, which is the first one here, is first, you need a comma before you add the independent clause. Okay? All right. So, to practice this, I'm going to have you do activity 3 on page 156. So pause the video and do the activity. Then start the video again. All right. So hopefully you paused and did the activity. I did the activity myself. It takes a long time. So let's look at number 2. After is the subordinating conjunction. After the students went, subject verb, to the graduation ceremony is a prepositional phrase, comma, they, subject, went to a restaurant and celebrated with their families. So here we have the subordinating conjunction after SV, comma, SVV. All right, number 3, subject we, verb went to the music festival and had fun, even though is the subordinating conjunction. My boyfriend was suffering, verb, from a severe cold. Subject, verb, verb, even though, subject, verb. Okay, next one. While, subordinating conjunction, my roommate and I were traveling in Italy on a train, all prepositional phrases, comma, because the subordinating conjunction comes first, someone took her purse, is an object, and stole all her money, object. So while, subject, subject, verb, comma, subject, verb, verb. Okay, the students can finish the assignment in any manner they want, as long as, subordinating conjunction, they hand it in by Friday. Subject, verb, as long as, subject, verb. If the children go to the zoo and see animals, they may want to take a giraffe home with them. Okay, if, subject, verb, verb, comma, subject, verb. Okay, because Maria likes to help people, she went to Peru and worked in her former school in leadership building this past summer. Because, subject, verb, comma, subject, verb, verb. Okay, coffee is a very important product. Sorry, I missed a, sorry. Since is our subordinating conjunction, many people enjoy drinking it. Subject, verb, since, subject, verb. Number 9, Maria will find a job and decide on her work schedule once she knows her class schedule at the university. Subject, verb, verb, once, subject, verb. Until the government knows the civilians are safe, they will not withdraw their forces and commence a peace process. Until, subject, verb, comma, subject, verb, verb. All right. So hopefully you got all of that correct. For homework, you will do, let's see, what did I write here? Activity 4, or you should have done. Let me see, where am I? 209, 157. Okay, activity 4 and activity 5. Okay, so that's page 158 is activity 5, and activity 4 is 157. All right, so this is lecture number 1 for Wednesday, April 8th. I will do another lecture in a minute.